Imagine doubling your manufacturing capacity and spending more time on growth and sales. Sounds impossible? Not with MRPeasy. MRPeasy is the award-winning MRP software trusted by over 1,500 manufacturers. It's powerful yet easy to use. Say goodbye to spreadsheets and hello to seamless communication between sales, production, warehousing, procurement, administration, and finance. With MRPeasy, you can promise accurate lead times, improve equipment utilization, and boost efficiency with real-time reporting. Prevent stockouts, lower inventory levels, and automate inventory transactions with a real-time inventory overview. Ensure precise, on-time deliveries, improve customer satisfaction, and shorten lead times. Benefit from accurate automatic planning and a realistic production schedule. Reschedule dynamically with a simple drag and drop. Manage purchases effortlessly, raise pre-filled purchase orders with a single click, and forecast your procurement needs accurately. Enjoy clear visibility of your business performance, monitor cash flow, balance sheets, and profit, loss in real time. Join the ranks of successful companies like Rander, Soxtrot, and AniCell Biotech. MRPeasy is your key to streamlined manufacturing and business growth.